In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Uber app on Android. We'll use the official and recommended method so you get the real app safely and quickly. All you need is your Android phone, an internet connection, and a minute or two. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your phone. It's the app with the multicolored triangle icon. If you have trouble spotting it, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for Play Store. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have mobile data on since you'll be downloading the app. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Uber. When the results appear, look for the app with the black U logo. The publisher should read Uber Technologies, which confirms you found the official listing. You may also see similar apps or services, so double-check the name and logo to avoid installing the wrong one. Tap Install. The download will start right away. The time it takes can vary depending on your connection, so don't worry if it takes a moment. Keeping your screen on and staying in the Play Store can help the process run smoothly. Once the download and installation finish, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the app. On first launch, Uber will ask for location access. Allowing location helps the app find your pickup spot automatically and show nearby drivers and accurate fare estimates. Choose the permission option that lets Uber locate you while you're using the app. Next, sign in or create an account. If you've used Uber before, simply sign in with your phone number or email. If you're new, create an account using your own details. Keep your information accurate so you can receive ride updates and receipts without issues. After that, add a payment method. Depending on your country, Uber may support cash, cards, or other digital payment options. If you add a card, enter the details exactly as they appear on the card. You can always review or update your payment method later in the app's settings if your needs change. That's it. The app is now installed and ready to use. From here, you can set your pickup location, choose your ride option, and request a driver whenever you need. Remember, the Google Play Store is the safest and most reliable way to install Uber. Look for the black U logo and Uber Technologies to be sure you have the official app. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to start riding with Uber on your Android device.